Today we are going to learn how to draw and shade realistic water drops step by step. This is the part 1 of our water drop series where we will focus on creating a big splash drop and small droplets using blending, highlights and reflection. So first let us start with the outline. Draw 3 circles, one big, one medium and one small. Keep them lightly drawn using gentle strokes. Now take the big circle and convert it into an uneven flowing shape. Make it look like a water splash with irregular edges. Around this big shape, draw a few small water droplets. Keep them oval and slightly irregular. And also mark the highlighted areas inside the big drop. Now we begin shading the main water drop. Start from the edges using a medium shade. Use very light pressure and build the tone slowly. Leave the highlighted areas untouched. So you can use a blending stump or a tissue. Better use a blending stump and blend the shading smoothly. This will give a soft and a watery effect. And darken some areas near the edges. This will create depth and make the drop look realistic. On the left edge, add medium shading with gentle strokes and blend it softly. Now move to the middle area, keep it lighter and blend gently to show shininess. Shade lightly in the middle area, leaving few areas as white spaces. With a stencil, blend smoothly. Remember that water looks realistic because of contrast, that is dark edges and the light center. Now shade the other side of the drop. Use medium tones and again leave highlight spaces white, and you have to blend everything smoothly. The beauty of water drops depends on blending, highlights and reflection. Use an eraser to lift few tiny white dots, and these dots act as light reflections and make the drop look shiny. Now let us add the shadow below the water drop. Start with a light shade, keep it darker near the drop and lighter as it moves away. So blend the shadow softly. Also leave a few light spaces inside the shadow. These small highlights show reflection from the water drop. Now we'll shade the smaller droplets around the big one. Start with the first drop. Mark one highlighted area and now shade around it using the gentle strokes. Blend it softly using a stump and add a small shadow below it and make sure reflection is visible. Now move to the next drop. Use light shading and blend carefully. Observe how water reflects light even in small drops. Add shadow and keep some white space in it. Repeat the same for next drop. Each drop should have highlight, a soft shading, small shadow and a reflection effect. Take your time and do it patiently. After completion, you will notice that white spaces inside both the drop and shadow make it look realistic. This is the key to drawing water, highlights and reflection. And that's it for today's class. keep practicing slowly and observe light carefully. So today we learn how to draw and shade realistic water drops using blending, highlights and reflections. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow for more content.